Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Goodnotes crashing when opening a notebook in 2026. Does your Goodnotes crashes when you open a specific notebook? This can happen, but it's fixable. So here's exactly what to do. We're just gonna follow these few simple steps and we're gonna fix this error. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna go and find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna install it from there. Alternatively, if you want to use the Goodnotes application on your PC, you're gonna have to enter to the Goodnotes website right here, and you can try Goodnotes for web. You can alternatively download the application uh, for your Mac or for your Windows. Now let's go back to our topic and fix the issue of Goodnotes crashing when opening a notebook. The first thing you want to try is try opening a different notebook first. You're going to check if the problem happens with a different notebook. For example, you're going to open a new one and see if it crashes. If it doesn't, you're going to restart the app. For example, you're going to hold the power button until you see the restart option. Once you see it, you're going to make sure to click on it. And after that, you're going to relaunch the notebook after your device restarted and you launch the Goodnotes application. Now, if that doesn't work, try restarting the device by going to the Play Store or restarting or checking the updates. You're gonna go to the Play Store and check for the updates. You're gonna go to the apps page and check if there's an update button. If there is, you're gonna click on updates and wait for the update to be completed. Then you're gonna relaunch the app again and relaunch that same notebook. Now, after that, you can ensure your device has enough storage and RAM because Goodnotes applications demand some RAM usage, so make sure your device is storage free. And if the issue persists, make sure to duplicate or restore the notebook from the backup. Let's go here, you're gonna go here, and you're gonna select the notebook until you highlight it by clicking on this icon right here and click on duplicate and open it again and see if the problem occurs there. Now, notebook crashes are often due to file size or performance issues. Follow these steps and you'll fix them in no time. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.